Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on VeChain. Recently, VeChain has broken down this horizontal channel. Then we had a long spike beyond this support, quite long-term support of 3.2 cents. And you can see that so far it is not able to break it down. In fact, the price is now gearing up after testing the support. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 3.2 cents has been previously breaking as a support here. Before that, it was breaking as a resistance here. We got strongly rejected by this resistance here in the month of Feb 2023. And before that, it was also breaking resistance here in the first week of January 2021 as well. Therefore, again, this 3.2 cents is breaking as a very strong support in the price. And after testing this support, it's gearing up. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this recent breakout from this channel. And we will also take a look at this huge breakout from this big and long term falling wedge pattern as well. By the way, I have been showing you this wedge almost for the past 2 years when it was moving inside this wedge. And I was telling you that after the breakout, we can expect a very, very massive rally. And by the way, from this low to here, so far it has rallied more than 506%. And still a very big move due. That is the target for the breakout from this wedge. And in today's video, we will also discuss that target as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for VeChain, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup, like this trade signal I shared on 12th of January 2025 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade signal as well. Like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of VeChain, and this is the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several days or weeks, it had been moving inside this parallel channel. Finally, we broke down the support. And by the way, the technical target for this breakdown was here, approximately at 2.8 cents. And you can see that the price then dropped more than that. It dropped up to 2.7 cents, but could not break down this very strong and long-term support of 3.2 cents. So you can see that the price then had a long spike beyond the support, could not break it down. Then we had some price accumulation here. Then we had a nice short bump from here. And now it is again getting bounced from this support. And this time, if the price end will continue this move to the upside, then it can hit this previous support of the channel that can now break as a resistance. In fact, this is already working as a very strong support and resistance level that is at 3.9 cents. You can see that recently for the past several days or weeks, it was working as a support. And if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, and you can see that previously this 3.9 cents has been working as a very strong support here for a few weeks, resistance here, and support here back in the month of Feb 2022. Therefore, again, it can break as a very, very strong resistance. And after that, the next upcoming resistance will be here at 5.6 cents. It has been recently breaking as a resistance here for several weeks and resistance here. And before that, for a few weeks, it has been breaking as a support here as well. Now you can see that we have already hit the target for the breakout from this down channel that was here at the top of the channel at 5.5 cents. The price and rallied beyond that target, but still a very big move due, and that is the target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And that long-term target will be here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between 26 cents to 30 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.